A sustainable architecture firm had one mission: build eco-certified homes without compromising on performance. Their challenge? Replace conventional foam insulation like XPS with natural alternatives, such as wood fiber and expanded cork. To make sure these bio-based materials could match up, they teamed up with Thermtest. Using the HFM 100, each insulation type was tested for thermal conductivity and R-value under identical lab conditions. While XPS may still have lead in raw insulation value, natural alternatives like cork and wood fiber were close and had added benefits of acoustic absorption and moisture resistance. Armed with the data, the firm felt confident to give the green light for a full-scale pilot using natural insulation, knowing it wouldn't sacrifice performance. In environmental design, green still needs to meet standards. Thanks to steady-state testing, natural insulations like cork and wood fiber can move from niche to norm, with performance that's quantifiable, not just conceptualized.